Tired of scrolling forever to find a specific word on a long page? Learn the one-click trick to find anything instantly in DuckDuckGo. I'll show you exactly where to click and what to type. Just follow these simple steps. So let's get started. We're going to open up the DuckDuckGo browser. Now, this is the internet browser that puts your privacy first. I use it all the time myself, and it works a little differently than Chrome or Safari in some places. But once you know where things are, it's really straightforward. So go ahead and tap that DuckDuckGo icon to open it up. Now, go to the page you want to search. Maybe it's a long article, a recipe, or a huge list of search results. I'm going to load up a fairly dense web page here, the kind where you'd normally be squinting and scrolling for a solid minute trying to spot a single piece of information. But we're not going to do that today. All right, so here's where the magic starts. Look up at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 little horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. A lot of people miss this because they're so used to looking for a gear or a wrench symbol. But in DuckDuckGo, that 3-line icon is your gateway to everything. Go ahead and tap that. Now, from the menu that drops down, you want to look for the option that says Find in Page. It's usually near the middle or the bottom of that list. Just tap on that. And right away, a small search bar should pop up at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on whether you're on a phone or a tablet. And here's where it gets really good. Now you just type the word or phrase you're hunting for. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to type in a specific term from this page. As soon as you start typing, DuckDuckGo instantly highlights every single match on the page. The very first match gets a nice bright highlight so it stands out immediately. Now, use the little up and down arrows next to that search box to jump between each match. So tap the down arrow and it scrolls you directly to the next occurrence. Tap the up arrow and it takes you back. This is incredibly useful when a word appears 20 or 30 times on a page and you need to find just the right one. The current match is always highlighted a little differently, so you can't lose your place. I've tested this on everything from massive Wikipedia articles to endless terms of service pages, and it works flawlessly every time. It saves you so much frustration. So next time you're on a long DuckDuckGo page, remember this. 3 lines up top, find in page, type your word, and use those arrows. That's it. From now on, you'll never waste time scrolling blindly again.